Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you tips and tricks on how you can make your commercial chinchin and make good profit. If you want to learn how to make chinchin, I want you to stay to the end of this video. This video will be very helpful to you. This video is especially for those who want to do chinchin business. Come on guys, let's get right into the video. Run in with 24 cups of flour. Make sure you sieve. So go in with your flour like this is the last flour I'm about to sieve in here. This is 24 cups of flour for this chinchin. This is 6 kg size of chinchin. I have 24 cups of flour here, and this is the cup I have used to measure. 12 of this cup give us 24 cups of flour, which is 6 kg worth of flour. Okay, now add your baking powder. This is my baking powder. I'm going to be going in with 5 tablespoons of baking powder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For 6 kg flour, this is what you need: 5 tablespoons of baking powder. Okay, so we're going to be needing 4 cups, about 4 cups to 5 cups of sugar, but I'm adding 2 cups now. This is 2 cups measurement, remember. You can also sieve your sugar in. You try to sieve these things in. That will help your batter to come out very fluffy and very smooth. That way you have a beautiful consistency. I'm going to add the second 2 cups. So here we have 4 cups of sugar in this 6 kg flour mix for chinchin. You can add any powdered milk of your choice. You can add flavored powdered milk. This is just for your chinchin to come out very delicious and very special. I'm going to be adding some noodle powdered milk also. Okay, we're going to be adding about 4 cups. This is for flavor's sake. Or I'll stop at 3 cups because I'm going to be adding carnation milk also. Go in with your salt, about 2 teaspoons of salt for this very quantity. But honestly, this is the only salt I have at home. I'm going to add it also. Go in with your nutmeg like so. This is 5 pieces of nutmeg, which makes about 2 tablespoons of nutmeg. So go in with this. Have this, you can also use it. This is just to show you, if you don't have this grater, you can use this grater if that's what you have. I use both of it so I can get it quickly out of the way. Okay, at this point I'm going to mix all of this together. All the dried ingredients should be mixed together so that way it can be well combined. Mix until everything has get to know each other. Let them marry each other. That way you are sure you're going to get a very delicious commercial chinchin done. This is a special order, and yeah, chinchin is not something I want to do anytime, any day. No, it takes a lot of time, it takes patience. So it's something you want to do and make sure you mix right and get the right taste and get the right consistency. Otherwise you will make chinchin, sometimes it will soak into the oil. You'll be so frustrated because you have not mixed it right. That's why with chinchin I try to want to give you a measurement. So this is the measurement I need now. That's why I'm showing you step by step on how you can get this delicious chinchin made, and you will be very happy that you did. Okay, you mustn't use everything I use, but these are the basics you need for chinchin. You can omit sugar if you don't want sugar. Trust me, I have made several chinchin without sugar. The other time I made chinchin for clients, they asked me not to put sugar at all, and it was very nice. My husband enjoyed it also. Good. It smells so fantastic. So the next thing I'll be going in here is our butter. This is about 480 grams of butter. All right, which is about 8 sticks, if I'm not mistaken. So just go in with it, with your butter like so, and mix everything in. Mix until everything is well combined. Guys, this chinchin is going to be very fantastic already. I can feel it from the mixture. I can feel it from the ingredients. If you want to run chinchin business, this is a very good measurement for you. So mix, mix, mix until it is well combined. I'll try and put the measurement in the description for you, so you can look it up in case you want to run a chinchin business. There are different things you can do from home. Okay, just mix nicely. Make sure it is well incorporated. Make sure everything is well combined. Mix until you get the right consistency. Trust me, you will love that you did. Okay, every of these pastries have their ways of mixture. Mix them right, you get the right consistency. You mix them wrong, honestly, you will regret that you're doing it. That's one thing about these things. It's good to do them, but you must be careful when you are doing these things. Nutmeg will make your chinchin flavorful. Like, trust me, somebody outside will know you're making something delicious, even if they don't know what you're doing exactly. But honestly, nutmeg in your chinchin is always fantastic. Look at all those butters. You want to make sure you mix them into the flour. Mix those butters into the flour. Mix it well, guys. Trust me, you want to mix well. You want to mix well. With your chinchin, you must mix well. Don't be in a hurry to do this. If you want to get the crunchy chinchin, crunchy outside and fluffy inside, crunchy outside and, you know, with that beautiful chinchin texture inside, like when you eat the chinchin, you just hear it chum chum. You want to mix very well. Mix, mix, mix before you start adding your wet ingredients. Okay, yeah, look at it. Everything is looking the same. Can you see? Everything has been nicely mixed. Good job. Look at what I'm doing. Look at it. Everything is well mixed. So dig a well. We are going to start with the wet ingredients now. Just dig a well. The next item that will be going in is my egg. I'm going to be using about 8 eggs or 10 eggs. So we have 8 eggs here. Either use your whisk. You can use this and mix your egg together, or you can go in with fork. This will make it more faster for me. I'd rather go ahead and do this. Okay. I'm gonna add in some vanilla extract, and then I'll mix together. I have some carnation milk also. I'm going to add it in. You can decide to add all your wet ingredients together, because this is the final mixture. Here I went in with my vanilla extract, my egg and my milk, so you can do the same thing. You can decide to add them one after the other, but it's still the same thing. Save yourself some time and just add everything together. Yeah. Dig a well, like I said, and go ahead, add all of these wet ingredients. So fam, I added all the carnation milk because I wanted to give me a very good result. Crunchy, delicious chinchin. Mix, mix, mix. Just go ahead. Be gentle about it so you don't have to splash it all over the place. Knead until you have need for water. Okay? Trust me, this chinchin will come out very, very beautiful. If you don't want to have this quantity, just go ahead and divide this measurement into 3 or into 4 and make the quantity you wish to. So keep on mixing. As you're mixing, be kneading it also in this very bowl. That way you're going to mix it well on the work surface. Of water, I'm going to be adding gently, and if I have need for more, I'm going to add. With your water, you want to be very gentle. I added about 3 cups of water at the end of the day, 3 to 3.5 cups of water. I like to knead in the bowl before I put it on the work surface. It comes out good. Just keep kneading until it is well combined. And you see how beautiful our chinchin is looking. Look at our chinchin batter. See how beautiful. Trust me, this chinchin will come out very delicious. So I'll let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then I'll show you the next. So I'm just going to floor my tray because I'm going to be putting it here while I throw it in the oil. I'll set this aside. So once you set your tray aside, just go ahead and floor your work surface. That way you don't want your batter to be sticking. Okay, even though you know it's not going to be sticking because of the way you have gone about mixing your chinchin batter, but still you need to just sprinkle some flour. That way you're sure you're not going to be struggling with your flour when you put it on your work surface. Okay, just make things easy for yourself. I'm going to be using this to cut. This is my pizza cutter. And then you want to go ahead and make some flour on your rolling pin like so that your flour will not stick. So this is my batter. It's been resting for the past 15 minutes. Go ahead and flour your pan like so. That way your flour will not stick to the pan. Flour on the work surface. Bring it together. This is really good. It's rising. So I'm just going to knead it for a little bit, and then I'll cut it into 8 sizes or 10. So I'm going to cut my flour into some sizes. Trust me, it's going to come out so good. Look at that. The batter is so beautiful, well mixed. Your chinchin will come out very nice. Put this in the tray pan. Put this here. I'll allow it to be resting. Just go ahead and sprinkle some flour. Sprinkle some flour on your work surface again. This is so it doesn't stick. Remember to always do this so that your flour doesn't stick, okay? Go ahead, cut it into some sizes that you can quickly roll and throw in your oil. That way it will be fast. Make sure you help it with flour. Always do this. Put this aside. Just put them here. You're going to be taking them one at a time. This is my first roll. I'm going to knit it again. And then I'll start rolling it on my work surface and start cutting. You can cut it into thin sizes. You can cut it into smaller bit sizes. Okay, just roll it out like so. I usually like my chinchin sizable. I don't like those very tiny bits. I like it sizable. If you're doing for commercial purpose, go ahead and choose a beautiful shape on how to cut your chinchin and stick to that. Our oil is getting ready. Just make sure you get your oil going at this point. That way when you roll out, you cut out and then you throw it in. You throw it into your oil. I think this is the size I am looking for. You can go in for your chinchin. You can do any size of your choice. You can either use your knife to cut into the shape that you want. So this is the slices. I have gone ahead to cut this. Sorry, a call came in, but I'll show you again though. But this is the size. I'm going to go ahead and cut this right quick. So just go ahead and I like to use knife, honestly. Cut it to the shape of your choice. If you like it tiny bit, go ahead. If you like it this size, just go ahead. Whatever shape you cut will come out by the time you are done frying. Okay? People are coming to my house right now and I want to get something out so they can have for, you know, cola. Okay? Just go ahead and do this. We'll cut until we have all of them.
Hi. How you doing?
Let me even say
Happy
hello.
Sunday.
Yeah. My family are here, oh, my friends and loved ones are here. Oh.
The Chinchin lovers.
Yes. The Chinchin lovers are here. They came at the right time.
Oh my goodness.
You all like Chinchin, no
Oh
be
my
small.
gosh.
I told myself, I said you are the luckiest woman today because I'm making what you like
Chinchin.
today. Yeah, I beg, bring one chair close, I beg. Chidera, do you have cold water? This is what we have, guys. You can see the consistency. So I'm just going to add it in right now. Get it going. Any first thing here is always for testing. And make sure you open it up. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Make sure your oil is on medium. Don't allow your oil to be too hot, otherwise it will cook on the outside and will not cook on the inside. Alright, our chinchin is not wasting time at all. Always be gentle with this. Whenever your oil is bubbling, just go ahead and keep doing this, otherwise your oil will splash everywhere, and trust me, you're going to work too hard in your kitchen. Nobody wants to work too hard in the kitchen. Some people don't like kitchen work. Just cut them into any shape of your choice. I told you it's not going to stick, so you just a little bit. Don't put too much flour, otherwise it will soak in the oil and it will start foaming and it will splash everywhere. Cut it in any shape of your choice. Yeah, we have some ready. The first set was used for testing, right? It tastes so good. But yeah, this is about the last one. This is the color you want. This is the color I've been going for. This chinchin tastes so good. Look at our chinchin, guys. It tastes so fantastic. So delicious. Crunchy on the outside and tender on the inside. Please give this video a massive thumbs up. Share to your friends and loved ones. Look at our chinchin, guys. Look at how beautiful. Can you hear that? So good. Which is to be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful hearts. Thank you so much and God bless you. Ciao, ciao. See you.